YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And here we go. Ooh, baby. It's time. Get my cocktails ready. Good old Tom Cruise. And whoop, COCKSHIER. I hope I said it right. COCKSHIER. Patient pending. Vacuum insulated stainless steel cocktail shaker set. Whoa, this is what comes with it. 1 measuring jigger, 1 measuring spoon, 1 cocktail recipe, black gift box, additional measuring top gasket. Shake it up but not leak. Easy to take apart and clean. Do not frozen hand. Do not annoying stuck lid. Oh, so the lid's easy to pop out. Anti-slip shaker, portable storage, multi-purpose top lid. As a measuring 28 ounces. Yeah, buddy. Let me fix my globe. Here we go. Very nice. So like I said, holidays are fast approaching, but you can still use this for like a birthday gift, housewarming gift, whatnot gift, you know, wedding gifts. Especially if they're in the bar industry. Or if you know a favorite bartender you have. You know? A small gift goes a long way. You'd be surprised. There we go. It's not too heavy. Oh, we got some recipes. COCKSHIER. That's alright. So right here we get the classic recipes. I tried to do bartending. I went to class once and yeah, not my type. But whoever does, mojito. We know what a mojito is. Pina colada. I couldn't make any of these drinks. Oh, look at that. Not sticky leaks. Oh, man. That guy's smiling. Having a good time. He knows he's going to get the big tip from her. Here we go. White rum, pineapple juice, coconut. 1 small pineapple slice. 1 red cherry. Oh, baby. Cuba. Libre. Metropolitan. I heard of those. I never heard of that one. Must have tequila in it. Nope. Rum. Coke. I don't have any alcohol here because I only drink when I go out. And I'm way past 21, so I do drink, but not for a long time. Bloody Mary, I heard of those. We got the Alexander, never heard of him. A Singapore Sling, huh. Pretty cool. Martini, I heard of those. Dirty Martini, Tequila Sunrise, that's what I like. Got the tequila, the pomegranate, the raw fresh orange juice, COCKSHIER. And bada boom. Alright, let's take a look at this beauty. Got another thing popped out. I think we need a waterproof sealer. Something like that. Oh yeah, this is nice. I like the design. It's classic. Definitely I could see this in a bar. Gentleman's club, whatnot. Definitely see them mixing some drinks. Maybe it's Sandy and Schwartz's out in Cali. Oh. Man, that's deep. That goes deep in there. Look at this fancy dancy spoon. Like I said, I'm not going to be making drinks today, but I think we all know how these things work. Make sure you throw it in the dishwasher. Oh, these things. Dude. Really nice, though. Look at that. Quality made. Kind of looks like a Stanley Cup when you look inside with those laser engraving. Really nice. Like I said, sealer. I don't know where that goes. Oh, it's a replacement. It goes around. It's got the measuring up to 6 ounces, 3 ounces. You guys can see it, it's right there. Zoom in a little bit. There you go. Really nice made though. I think. There we go. Oops. Oh, everything falls. There we go. That's when you pour it. I could pour some water. Here's a replacement for this guy right here. If you guys can see it. Bling bling. Yeah, I'm curious about the pour. Alright, we'll be right back. Kitchen time. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, here we go. We got some juice in here. Shake it up. No leak. Shake it up some more. Got the glass right there. You know, that'd be a good. Yeah, and there you go. Like I said, no leak. Whoop. Everything's good to go. And all you gotta do is click that link down below. Check them out. COCKSHIER. Links down below. Be safe. Have a good night.